So today we will start with a grammatical part which is used for seeking permission, requesting, and to talk about probability, to talk about possibility, likewise. That is called modal auxiliaries. Okay, what are modal auxiliaries? We all know can, then shall, then will, may. And for can, could, shall, should, for will, would, may, might, and must. These are the modal auxiliaries. And now I'm going to say when can you use could, especially many of us may have a confusion. When can we use could and when can we use could? And which is for permission, which is for respect, I mean, which is for request. So some of you might have this confusion. Also, let's get clear about this. Basically, can is ability. Don't ask, can you do this? Can you come for my can you come for my sister's marriage, or can you come to my home? All right, so don't say, can you come? Can you join? Can you join now? Don't say can. You can say could. Sorry, requisition. Because can talks about ability. When you stand at the door of your classroom and ask your teacher or your professor, can I come in? It means that you can walk actually. You have two legs. You have two legs to walk. Still why you stand and ask, can I come? You can ask, may I come for permission? Now you want you need a small help from your friend, or you need a small help from your manager. Right, so then ask, could you please do this requisition? Also, you can also use could for ability that is expressed in past form. If I had gone to the exhibition, I could have seen my friend. My friend had come there, but unfortunately, I was not able to go. If I had gone to that exhibition, I would have met my friend. I could have. If you studied well, you could be in better position, right? So when someone had some failure in their life, in their professional life, you can say, if you studied well, நீ படிச்சதுன்னா நீ வந்து இப்போ நல்ல பொசிஷன் இருப்ப அப்படின்றது. You can say, if you studied well, you could be in a better position. You could be in a good job. All right? If you study well, you could be in a good job. So could. So ability that is expressed in past form. Expressed in, or you can say imaginary form, you can say, or else imaginary form. It is not an imagination, but in an imaginary form. Okay. And shall and will almost same. Will is for future tense, basically for future tense, and for willingness. Will you do this help for me? It means,
Means to express a future ability or willingness.
and shall is for decision making. Shall we go? Shall we start? It means I'm ready to start now. I'm ready to start the topic now. And if you guys are all ready, and you also say let's start. Otherwise you'll say 2 minutes please or 3 minutes please. Right. So that's why I'm asking, shall we start now? If not, I'll wait for till the time you're all ready. So for shall is for decision making, and it is used only for I and we. You can't say you shall come tomorrow, or he shall talk to him. He shall, they shall, you shall. No, I shall come tomorrow, and we shall come tomorrow. Shall I come tomorrow? Shall we come tomorrow? And should is for conditions, for rules especially. You should complete your in school days. You should finish your assignments. Otherwise, the teacher will punish you. You should follow the traffic rules. Otherwise, you'll be penalized. Should for conditions. Would this for permission? Would you allow me a couple of minutes to talk? It means I'm asking permission. We usually say, can you give me 2 times? I mean, can you give me 2 minutes? We say, can you give me 2 times? See, I used to make fun with the students in college sometimes. When they stand at the door of when they stand the door of the classroom and ask, "Sir, can I come in?" I'll say, "Yes, you can come, but you should not, because I will not allow you." That's because they have 2 legs to walk, right? So why still I should ask, like, can you give me 2 minutes? He can. Basically, he can. When I ask the person, he can give me 2 minutes, but he has to give. Right. So then I can ask, could, sorry, would you give me 2 minutes time to talk? Would you give me permission to take a leave today? Would you allow me a couple of days leaves? So for would for permission. At the same as you say could is for expressed in imaginary form. For willingness also you can use. I would like to have a cup of coffee. I would like to have. I would like to have a cup of coffee. Would. Okay, so willingness you can say or likeness. What would you like? Okay, for that purpose you can say I would like to have a cup of coffee. I would want to go there. I would want to meet him. I would want to say my opinion in a group discussion during your team meeting. Let's say, sir, I would want to pitch in an option here, opinion here. You can say like this. I would want to say my opinion. Likewise. All right. So next, now may is basically for permission and possibility, and might is for probability. You might have learned probability in the statistics or whatever maths. You might have learned probability. The same, a coin has two sides, right? Now you see that it's cloudy. Now you see through the window, you see that it's cloudy. It's not sunny. It's cloudy, and you'll say it may rain now. It's very cloudy now. It may rain today. It may possible. It is possible. It is possible to rain. It is possible for an downpour today. Yes. But when will you say probability? This morning you heard from the news channel that the weather forecaster said that uh, it may rain today. The weather forecaster said it may rain today. So you believe today that it might rain today. It is your belief. It is your probability. Weather forecaster said that it's going to rain today. So, but I am not sure that it's going to rain today. All right, I'm not sure it's going to be raining. It might rain or might not rain. Then I use probability. It's like, as you know, a coin has two sides. The same thing. Whatever the weather forecaster said, the answer can be yes or no. And for May, it is just possible. It's not about yes or no, but it is about possible. It's about possibility. All right. So that's the difference between probability and possible. Might and may. You might consider this. Okay. Seeking permission. Let's have permission itself, but just make a note like you might you might want to go to your native during the holiday. You might want to go to your native. Okay, that's for permission by me and might. And must is for strict rules. Should is for just conditions. Hey, if you don't, I mean, you should come to the school, or you should be in the what is it called? You should be in the campus before 9 a.m. That is as per the rule. As per the rule, you should do this. But must is strict. Even the traffic rules also, as per the rule, you must follow. Must is strict rules. You must do this, otherwise, that's all. But in this, you will have options. You violate a traffic rule, you pay what is it called? You pay the fine and you go home. I mean, like if you're rich, you just pay fine and you go home. And if you're not much rich, and if you're if you're below the poverty line or under the poverty, whatever it is, then that the same rule becomes must for you. You must follow the traffic rules. Otherwise, I have to spend more money from my pocket. That kind of thing. That's the difference between should and must. So from today onwards, try to use these words, these modal auxiliaries. This is not model, modal. Look at the spelling. It is Modal. It's modal auxiliaries, auxiliary. And usually auxiliary verbs, they help. They are used as a helping words. They help the main verb. I am talking. So actually, talking is the main action in this sentence. Talking. Talk is the main action. And since talk is expressed in continuous form, that is talking, we use an auxiliary verb am. I am talking. If anybody else has any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we may wind up for the day. Thank you all. Thank you all for your participation.